خب بچه ها سلام. من و بیتا امروز میخوایم حرف ای و اف رو با هم تمرین بکنیم ولی
بله.
قبلش ریویو میکنیم. We
بله.
review the English letters A, B, C, D
Yeah.
and then E, F, a new
G.
pair of letters. So here it is. What is
A.
this? A. Is this capital or uppercase or lowercase, Beta?
Uppercase.
Very good, uppercase. And let's write lowercase
Yeah.
a. So uppercase A and lowercase a. Very good. And now let's write B.
B.
Is this lowercase or uppercase?
Uppercase B, lowercase D.
And lowercase b. Very good. Lowercase. And C. A semicircle.
Yeah.
And
A semicircle small.
Yeah, the lowercase c is smaller. Okay. So, yeah, D. This is D, as you said. So, uppercase D and lowercase D. And now we're gonna learn two new letters, E and F.
E, F. E.
Is this uppercase or lowercase, Beta?
Uppercase.
Uppercase and lowercase e. Yeah, lowercase e. And finally, the last letter for today's lesson is F.
F.
It's very similar to E without this horizontal line. And
you push this is BE like.
exactly, yeah. You can change actually F to E.
Yeah.
Of course, a capital lowercase.
You can do F to E too.
Yeah, you can erase that part, but
yeah.
we don't have eraser here. So far, so good. Let me just teach you and review them one more time.
A, B, C.
So far,
D,
6 letters from the
F,
English
G.
alphabet. So, A, B,
B.
these are all capital or uppercases. And C, D, and today's letters are E and F. Yeah. So again, A, B, C, D, E, F. Yeah, so far so good. Now let me let's write the lowercase versions.
Yeah.
So A, B, C, D, E,
F.
F. So, do you know how to, let's write some words, simple words.
Yeah.
For example, for A, we can say apple. A, B,
P. We don't let.
E, not yet, but
not
anyway,
yet.
yeah. So A is like apple. Apple. Or you can also write A with capital A. Okay. What about B? Can you make a word for B?
Ball.
Ball. Yeah, very good. B-A-double-L. Ball.
Yeah. Ball.
And very good, Beta. And let's make some words with C. C. Like cat.
Yeah, like
Cat.
cat.
C, A, and T. Yeah, this part.
We don't learn T first.
Yeah, not yet.
Not
So
yet.
we can write cat. Okay, don't worry about the letters you don't know yet. We will teach all of them and practice all of them.
Yeah, together.
And absolutely, yeah. So cat, or even you can say car. Car.
Car.
You have not learned R yet, but
Yeah.
that's okay, no problem.
We can learn
Car.
it.
Yeah, we can learn it later on in
Yeah.
our later lessons.
Yeah.
And what about D or lowercase d?
Like what you want.
Yeah, can you name a word?
I don't know.
It's an animal that starts with D,
D.
like cat,
Cat.
barks, dog.
Dog.
Yeah, dog, dog.
Yeah.
Hop, hop, hop. You know, it barks.
Hop, hop, hop.
Yeah, dog
Dog.
with all capital letters. Dog.
Dog.
D-O-G, capital
D-O-G.
letters. And let me erase the. How about E? A word with E. Like, you can say elephant, but there are so many letters in that egg.
Egg. Yeah.
E-G-G, two G's.
Yeah. Two G's.
Or um, elephant. Let me write elephant. Okay.
Wait.
Yeah, that is capital. Very good. Capital E and oh, capital G. Very good. Do it again.
Thanks.
Very good. Egg. So also I can say, let me see, eagle. Eagle.
Yeah. Eagle. Eagle is
It's a
not.
bird.
Yeah, it's bird.
Uh-huh. They are wild.
Yeah, they are white.
Eagles are wild birds.
And
Okay.
so dangerous.
Dangerous, yeah. And they live on top of mountains.
Big mountains.
Their nests are
Yeah.
located on top of mountains.
Top of mountains.
Good. Eagles. And let me see. Elephant also. Elephant. You
Yeah.
can say elephant. E-L-E-T.
E P
H
H
N.
N
This is N T. I don't know
T
why this part is not written. N T.
T.
Elephant.
Elephant.
So eagle, elephant, and finally F. Good. Thank you for completing the word. F and F. You can say fox.
Yeah, it's good.
Good, thank you.
Seven.
For F, I can make this example like fox.
Fox.
F
They
like,
did like fox.
yeah,
So,
cunning, intelligent, smart
yeah.
Animals. They are
Yeah.
smart. Okay, fox, or let me just write it better for children. Yeah. This is X. You have not learned it. And
Yeah.
also O, F-O-X.
But don't worry, we learned them.
Yeah, we learn all the English alphabet with beta
Yeah.
and
All of us.
all of them. Yeah. Also a new word for today, B-E-D. You know this word, bed. You
Bed.
go to bed to sleep.
Yeah.
B-E-D. This is a new
Night.
word. And in lowercase also you can write it. B-E-D. Bed.
Yeah.
Okay. ما A B C D E F رو کار کردیم با
بله.
بیتا و
بله.
جلسه بعد میخواییم E F G و H رو با هم کار بکنیم، یعنی
بله.
شماره 7 و 8 رو. بیتا
بله.
خیلی خوب بود، خیلی ممنون. Thank you so
باشه کنم.
much. We enjoyed that and see you in our next video everybody with بیتا.
Goodbye. I love
خداحافظ.
you. Goodbye.
Bye bye.